Welcome back to our channel. The Met Gala 2025 was a night of fashion, flair, and unforgettable moments. Indian celebrities didn't just attend, they owned the red carpet, turning heads and making headlines. Let's dive into the looks that had everyone talking. Shah Rukh Khan's debut at the 2025 Met Gala was a masterclass in blending Indian heritage with contemporary fashion. Styled by Sabyasachi, SRK wore a flow-length black coat made of superfine Tasmanian wool, layered over a silk shirt and tailored trousers. A pleated satin kamarband added a regal Indian touch. But what were the real showstopper is his accessories. A diamond-studded K pendant, a star brooch, and a Bengal tiger cane made of gold, sapphires, and tourmalines. Every detail screams heritage and King Khan-level charisma. Making her Met Gala debut, Kiara Advani stunned in a custom Gaurav Gupta gown. The sculptural piece featured an antique gold breastplate adorned with ghungroos and crystals, symbolizing the bond between mother and child, thereby signifying a nod to her pregnancy. The design beautifully merged tradition with unconventional fashion. Priyanka Chopra embraced the superfine, tailoring black style theme in a polka dot Balmain gown with power shoulders, complemented by a wide-brimmed hat. Her look was elevated by a stunning 241-carat Bulgari emerald necklace, adding a touch of opulence to the ensemble. Designer Manish Malhotra made his Met Gala debut in a true showstopper style. He wore a dramatic all-black ensemble featuring a fully hand-embroidered jacket with a sharp silhouette, rich in textures, shimmer, and structure. His signature flair came alive with a golden elephant brooch pinned to the chest, symbolizing strength and tradition. The look was bold yet deeply rooted in Indian craftsmanship, with intricate Zardoji work and tailored drama. Isha Ambani dazzled in a custom Anamika Khanna ensemble, a masterpiece that took over 15,000 hours to create. The outfit celebrated Indian textile legacy, with every stitch reflecting tradition and innovation. She accessorized with a necklace from her mother Neeta Ambani's collection, replicating the iconic Ocean's 8 diamonds. Diljit Dosanjh made history at the Met Gala 2025 with a look that was pure royalty, emulating Maharaja Bhupinder Singh of Punjab. Wearing a custom ivory sherwani by designer Prabal Gurung, Diljit paired it with a matching turban and stole, staying true to his Punjabi roots. But the highlight is a ceremonial sword sheath slung gracefully across his shoulder, thereby turning tradition into a fashion statement. Diljit wore stunning jewelry that complemented his regal Punjabi attire, including a historic diamond necklace originally crafted by Cartier in 1928 for the Maharaja of Patiala. Diljit also layered pearl and emerald necklaces to add to his majestic appearance. Mona Patel made one of the most unforgettable Met Gala debuts in 2025, and here's why. Dressed in a custom Thom Browne look, she reimagined the classic tuxedo with a dramatic sculptural twist. That is, think bold, black and white asymmetry and hand embroidery that screamed couture. But the jaw-dropper is she walked the red carpet with a vector, that is, a robot dog on a diamond-studded leash. It wasn't just fashion, it implied fashion meets the future. Natasha Poonawalla brought vintage Indian elegance to the Met Gala 2025 in a striking Manish Malhotra ensemble. Her fishtail skirt was crafted from two antique Parsi Gara saris, painstakingly preserved heirlooms hand-embroidered with delicate motifs. She paired it with a sharply tailored black Gara jacket featuring bold shoulders and a royal purple lining. Sabyasachi Mukherjee's own Met Gala look was a tribute to Indian nobility. He wore a hand-quilted, oversized coat jacket and sherwani in hand-dyed Murshidabad silk, paired with satin shirt, black quilted trousers, and kamarband. The ensemble was completed with exquisite pieces from his Bengal Royal High Jewelry collection.